me and my little amiga are going to be delicioso. Oh. The food in the other room smells pretty delicioso, but that doesn't mean her and I are going to be delicioso, because that's just weird. She can't stop laughing! Oh my gosh! Katie's delicioso now, apparently, so yeah. Oh! I'm not gonna do. Okay, look. I got bored one day, yeah, so I started drawing. So, I was doing this really cool picture, and I made an eagle. Well then, I got extra bored and made a rainbow eagle. Like, rainbowy. Then, I got even boreder and made a fisherman. Yeah. Okay. Now, on the day that I got super duper bored, I made Michael Phelps. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm cool G. But I got one more thing. I get really bored at school, so...
Well, who drew it, Mom?
Yeah, it's pretty cool beans. But then I think I made a picture for one of my friends, and that one turned out pretty cool too. And that picture would be... 360 roundhouse kick. And this other picture I didn't finish. So yeah, it's cool beans. Hey, say over and out.
Over and out.